Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast spells without it going on cooldown in custom lobbies. To do so, you first need to create a lobby with cheats enabled, and once you open the lobby, just type enter -WTF. Enter again. Now, I won't have any cooldown on my spell, like so. And if you want to turn this off again, just press enter -UNWTF. Now it will go on cooldown, like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Happy Gaming!